Alright, so very quickly I'm going to show you what I'm going to make using up kale that is about to go bad, turkey from Christmas, it's a week old now and it needs to be used up, homemade ranch dressing, and black olives that need to be used up. But before I show you that, I want to quickly go over this. You may have seen something similar to this on my other channel. Um, Anyway, but the purpose of this is on one side I have snacks and what is in the fridge for snacks for my children in the snack times, and then I also have what I have in the fridge that is going to go bad fairly quickly. And so these are the items that are going to go bad that need to be used up quickly. So I looked at this a while ago and I was like, man, what can I make with that? I don't know. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to make. Okay, so here's the kale, and I bought this kale a couple weeks ago, and it's starting to get a little, floppy. Honestly, I have never bought kale before, and we've never even eaten it. It was just a really, really good deal, and I figured we would try it, but we had Christmas and New Year's and just everything, and we haven't even tried it. So I need to do something with this, and I also had the lighting's bad. I also had some leftover ranch dressing that I need to use up. I have some black olives left over from a homemade pizza. Then I have some turkey left over from the Christmas turkey. So those are the things that I needed to do something with, and I didn't know what to do. Like I said, we've never had kale, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some tortillas, spread some ranch dressing on the bottom, lay a big slab of kale leaf on it, chop up some of the turkey and the black olives on it, and then I mixed some mozzarella cheese and some mild cheddar cheese together, and I'll sprinkle this on top and then just roll them up and then cut them into like little pinwheels. So we will see how this tastes. So that is my plan. Okay, so I took the black olives and I have them on a paper towel just to help, absorb all that extra liquid that comes with the black olives. So I'm going to try to do this quickly because I don't have much time, but I'm just spreading on some of the sour cream, or not sour cream, the ranch dressing, and I'm going to take this kale here, and I've already cleaned it off. I think I'm going to cut out that center stem. Okay. Take some turkey and just kind of slice it up a little small. Like I said, I'm trying to hurry on this. Got places to go, people to see. This was the Christmas turkey that my husband made. He likes, and it has flavor of its own. He likes to make up his own solution and inject the turkey with it, and then we bake it. So that's what he likes to do. Alright, and then some black olives. I would sprinkle some hot sauce on here because 3 out of 4 of us really like hot sauce, but there's no way for me to know exactly which one the youngest kid that does not like hot sauce would get. Let me show you quickly what this looks like. It's kind of pretty. Okay, I don't think that's going to roll up very well, but we'll try it anyway. Trying to roll it in tightly and tuck it as I go. that looks like. That's probably going to come unrolled when I cut it. Guess we'll see. I'm going to eat this bite right now. That's actually pretty good. See that? They may stay together better once they're cold. But yeah, I like that. We are fans of hot sauce, like I said, so we would definitely sprinkle hot sauce on ours. Okay, let me wipe my hands off real quick. Okay, so you just saw me make the first one here, and they look good. See if I can focus in on that. They look good, and they taste pretty good. And once they're cold, I think that they will, you know, stay together, stay wrapped up pretty easily. And they're already doing a pretty good job about staying wrapped up. Tastes better than I thought it would because, like I said, I've never had kale, so I really didn't know what to expect with the taste. But I really like the kale in that, so I like the texture it gives. So we may just actually start buying kale and doing this type of thing. Okay, so I was using the homemade ranch dressing here. And I thought about adding some cream cheese to this because I really like cream cheese. So I thought about adding cream cheese to that, you know, and putting that down on the tortilla first. But I did not want to open up something else that I would have to try to use up later. So this is what I done. But yeah, this is good. So the purpose of this video was basically just to show you, get your creative juices flowing and see what you can make with food that is about to go bad in your fridge or pantry. Because like I said, this kale is probably a couple weeks old. Surely no more than that. But, and the olives and the Christmas turkey. So I do not like wasting food. So I always try to figure out how I can, you know, make it into something new. So there you go. And as you can see, I have plenty more that I have got to make. So thank you for watching. Okay, so I was able to make four or five, I don't remember, tortillas. Of course I did eat the, you know, the more ugly ends. I ate those. And they're pretty good. You know, like I said, we will probably do some hot sauce in ours. Also, the last one I ate, I was thinking that it would have been even better if I had taken some crispy bacon and put in with it. We do have some in the fridge, but it's not, you know, going to go bad anytime soon. And anyway, so we'll use it for something else. But, you know, that would be something. Anyhow, so you can always put, well, in my opinion, you can put pretty much anything in a tortilla with cheese and hot sauce and make it good. So thank you for watching and have a good New Year's.